Alright, this is just a little video for the condo board at the Queenston Gardens. Just to give you just a little overview of the roof. You know, there are places where the shingles are starting to deteriorate. All in all, I'm not seeing any emergency situations yet. I'll document them if I do. These shingles, they're called interlocking shingles. They were discontinued, I don't know, almost a decade ago probably. So you can't really get anything to match for repairs and stuff. But anyhow, what I was going to point out, just a couple things. One thing that is actually really good, well, actually I'll get that in a second. Just to show, you know, just a general overview of the roof. And I don't know why this is, like, that looks like that was, it doesn't look like hail damage, but it looks like it's just disintegrating shingle. I don't know what that is, but there's another one here. And I'm suspecting, actually, no, you can't tell here. I'm suspecting that there's probably not underlayment underneath the roof because the building codes didn't call for it back when this type of shingle was being installed. So there's probably eaves protection, like there's probably a 15-pound roofing felt on the eaves, but nothing else on the rest of the roof. And nowadays, the code calls for underlayment on the whole roof. But one thing I wanted to point out, let's get on the ladder here. This is actually a really good thing, is that at the very edge of the roof here, underneath this flashing here, you can see it better over here. This piece of metal here that my thumb's pulling up on, that's called drip edge, and that's to prevent surface tension for water from wicking back and getting into the edge of the plywood there, or leaking behind these gutters. That drip edge is actually above code, which is good that they put that in, because it should be code, because almost any house that we re-roof without this drip edge, you find rotten plywood along the edges, and if these condos were done with this, that's going to save you guys a lot of money in the long run when it comes time to do the re-roofing. So okay, so that's it for the kind of overview video. If I find any other emergencies, I'll